Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. Glad to have you. Today I am going to be hunting down some more images. You can see I've got a couple there to try and make some Halloween nail decals. So what do I got there? 7. Some of them may or may not work, but I want to do some more. So we're going to go to images. I've already typed in Halloween, single layer. I'm sure some people have done like a 2-layer design, so it's probably feasible, but I have troubles just getting the 1 layer on, so I'm not going to try. So let's see what we've got. We got that crow there. We got the eyes. We'll add those. And I'm looking more for skinny, tall. That will look better on my smaller nails. Some of these will not cut that nicely. So that's the one thing you do gotta keep in mind as you're looking. Let's grab that ghost there. I've already got that puppy dog smiling there with his pretty teeth. That skull's a little... I don't really care for it. I've got that ghost there. It actually reminds me of the ghost from Super Mario Brothers, the games. Okay, let's see if we've got anything else. I like the pumpkin face. I don't have orange nail polish, so that probably wouldn't work that well. Some of the eyes are really cute, but I think, oh, we'll try the witch's hat. That one would have to go on a bigger nail, like your thumbnail. That cat is cute, but I think the smaller cuts just won't work that well. That same puppy just facing the other way. We'll go with what I got here. If you can hear cats growling in the background, they're all just learning to be friends. Okay, so they've come in quite big. Get them all moved. Okay, we'll make this one smaller. Oh, this witch's hat just might not work that well, but we'll still give it a go. It's gonna have to go very small. Same with the eyes. So again, just take a little tape measure, measure your nails, so you got a good idea of like what size to put the nail decals, and then you just cut them out. Well, that bird is still a little small, and I'm going to make a few of these a bit smaller. So this lock and this key, they were a together image, and I just sliced them apart. So that should be good. You can see I got them quite small, but just so I can match up, I'm just going to highlight them all and duplicate. Give it a second to catch up. There we go. And if I click make it, you can see how small they are on the mat. None of them are more than ½ an inch. So I'm gonna get this cut out and we'll get them on my nails. So we got them all cut out. So let's start weeding and see how well they've turned out. Cat's in the room with me. I have a cat I have the Calyx system, and our newest member of the family, Moss, he wants to go into the inside of the cubes. One little skull here giving me a bit of grief. There we go. Oh, I lost one of the locks. These are so tiny. Well, that actually weeded pretty nice. So I had to pause the video there for a second because our newest member, Mr. Moss, decided he wanted to come up. So you might see a tail swish on the screen. Now I'm letting him in the room because he just had, oh, there he is. He just had surgery. He got neutered. So I got to keep an eye on him. So, oh, he just turned my light pad off. Decided to lay right down on it. Let's turn it back on. Thanks, Mr. Moss. It's hard to say no to my cats. But they are, I love them all to pieces. So I let them get away with a lot of stuff I probably shouldn't. Now this puppy dog, he's kind of a bit of a pain. He's causing me some grief. I got another cat that just climbed onto my lap. Now she wants up on the table. She thinks she can come up because Moss is up here. But she'll have to just get comfy on my lap while I weed. And she just jumped down. She gave up. I still get amazed on how small the Cricut can cut. It's the weeding part that is the hard part. Should probably try the reverse weeding. Mr. Moss is interested in my coffee. And he decided he's done. Goodbye, Mr. Moss. For small pieces, I like to use my nail. I find it works pretty good. Okay, I'll probably finish this off camera. There's a few more pieces I gotta get out, but I'm sure you don't want to watch that. Okay, got them weeded out the best I can. So, you know, I lost some pieces. The bottom of the smile for the pumpkin. The eyes from these little ghosts, I just could not get out. I did my best on those guys. Let me zoom you in. These are so small. So the locks didn't turn out too bad. I like the keys. So I lost the bottom of the exclamation point on the boo, but I still think it looks pretty cute. So let's get a couple of these attached. Oh, zoom me back out. So the eyes, those will be pretty hard to get on, but I do like these ghosts. Make sure I still got you in frame. What finger should I put the ghosts on? Let's do them on that finger there. Now, the tricky part, no, it's not quite where I wanted it. There. I know this is not the most Halloween-y nail polish. I'll be making some more when I switch out my nail color. It's getting them attached that is the hard part. Just want it on the very tip. There, hopefully that will work better. There we go, I got some cute ghosts there. Let's put the skulls on my thumbnail, because they turned out pretty good. Actually, I don't think that looks bad with my light colored nail polish. Get that over a bit more. Do got a chip on that nail polish, so I'll put this one as low as I can get it without looking weird. There. What do we think? We got some skulls, some cute little ghosts. I think I'll put the boos on as well, because I like the boos. These ones will be trickier, and I'm a little sad that I lost the back at the exclamation point. Again, I'll fix the chip in my nail. Oh, that looks cute. The chips just happened. I was washing paintbrushes. There, I think that's good. So we've got Boo, a ghost, the skulls, Boo, and the ghosts again. So I'll get my nail polish fixed up, get a clear coat on them so they'll last quite a while. I might add some more decals to the other fingers, but I'll do that off camera. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.